Welcome to Fanpage Karma. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the tagging to analyze posts based on their content, to find out what effects different criteria of pictures and captions have on the users. So pick a dashboard and go to tagging. Here you find all the posts that the selected profiles of the dashboard, I picked a dashboard with automotive companies, made in this chosen time period. Now let's imagine you're the content manager of an automotive company. You might ask yourself, how do I have to create my post content so that my users will interact as much as possible with it? For example, do they like to see just cars in pictures, or also people? Or do they like more personal captions or technical data like this one? Do they favor SUVs or limousines, or colored cars or black and white cars? Now you can create a tag for each of these qualities. For example, color, and no color, an update. And now you see the tags appear below the post images. Now you can go through all the posts and give them their tag. So this car is black, so it's no color, color, color. And if you have a post that doesn't fit any tag, you don't have to give them one, and it'll automatically get the tagged untagged post, which you can later on filter out in your analysis. So let's tag some more posts. Many cars without color. This should be enough. And now you can go to charts, and we can already see some results. Here we can see that I tagged 20 posts with cars that have no color, and 6 that have color. But there were also 304 more posts that I yet have to tag. On the left side I can choose to hide the untagged posts. And one thing we see immediately is that there were more posts with non-color cars, and the posts with non-color cars also get more engagement. This could be a first conclusion for the content manager. Hey, this is good. I should keep posting pictures with non-color cars. Of course, you have to tag way more posts to make this kind of conclusion, but you get what I mean. You can add more charts by clicking on plus charts, and you can download each chart by clicking on the little button here. In the matrix section, you can create a table of the profiles and tags. First, add your tags as columns. Update. You can choose to show the tag, none of these tags, and also whether or not you want to show the total values. And you can choose to color the cells to see the highest values. In each cell you'll find 2 values for 2 KPIs that you can define up here. So instead of engagement you might pick the number of likes, an update, and then you'll see that BMW made 4 posts of cars with no color and got 897,000 likes for it. And that they had 2 posts of colored cars that got 640,000 likes. So the colored cars got relatively more likes than the non-colored cars, which is maybe interesting. This is of course a very easy example, but you can maybe think of way more tags. And to analyze the post content on a very deep level, you might, for example, create a tag for each individual color, or outdoors, indoors, good weather, bad weather. And you can also give more than one tag to a post, etc. In this way you can learn a lot of interesting things about which criteria of posts trigger the users more or less. Maybe you'll figure out some of the tricks of your competitors and ways to improve your own posts. Enjoy tagging!